What up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I have filmed before and lost all the footage, so that's why she's a little bit late. But we are going to be doing 3 different brow looks using the new Benefit Brow Styler. So this is a double-ended brow pencil, which is like your waterproof freaking like just magic pencil. And then this side is a powder. So you got your powder applicator and the powder is in there, and it's everything you need. It's all in one. It's amazing. So we are going to do 3 different looks with this. I'm going to start off with the powder first and just show you a super natural brow look. Then I'm going to take it off, do a pencil, and then I'll show you how to use the 2 together as well. So let's start with the powder. Cannot talk. First things first, I'm just going to give my brows a comb through. That will get rid of any excess product that's chilling in there from doing my foundation and everything. Perfect. So now I am going to take the brow powder. Also, for reference, I'm in the shade 3.5. So what I'm going to do is start grabbing the powder and I'm just going to fill in the bulk of the brow right here and just really just place it through, not being super precise with where I pop everything. And then go into the front end of the brow and I sort of go upwards. Because this is the area for me that's sort of more sparse. I might zoom you guys in, that might help you see a little bit better. It goes just going up here because that's the direction that my natural brow hairs go. And then I'll get a little bit more gentle and soft towards the very front of the brow, just being super soft like that. And then going towards the tail, just very subtly extending it out. And that's so easy, like so easy to do. Then I just give a little bit of a brush through again, just making sure it's super soft and just very natural. Such a quick and easy brow to do. And then I'm going to do the other side. So starting in here as well, again, this powder just makes it so quick, like it's ridiculous. And then building it through, and because it's a powder, if you do what I just did there and put like a massive clump right there, I can easily blend it through. And then coming to the front, going up, through the tail. Easy as anything. And then just give a brush through. And we're done. Look at that. That is so easy to do with the powder. It's such a good soft, quick look that you can just do for every day if you want it super natural, but you just want to fill it in. Honestly, you can do it on the go and you'd be like out the door in 2 seconds. You're good to go. So I'm going to quickly take this off and we are going to show you how to do it with the pencil now. Alright, and now using the pencil end, I've already given the brows a brush through. I'm going to start filling right under here and going towards the arch. And then just slowly going up through the brow and building a bit of an arch because this one's going to be slightly more structured, and bringing it down through the tail. And then with this, I can extend the tail a little bit more. And then up in the front, I'm going upwards again. To get really thin strokes, I turn it on its side and use the very tip of the pencil. And that way I can get a little bit more precision. And then just go through and fill in any sort of gaps. So a little bit more of a structured brow, and then I'm just going to give it a brush through. Not as much as I would with the powder because I still want this to keep it structured. I don't want to be too soft. So I'm even using the very tip of the brush. And a little bit more filling in right in there. That's my one bald patch that kills me. And now for the other side, going straight underneath again. And using the very tip of it as well. just to get a little bit more precision, and building that tail and the arch as well. This is definitely my better brow. And then turning it upwards again just to get these front hairs. And then another brush through. And that is using just the pencil. So easy to do as well. It's really good for a little bit more of a structured brow. And then now I'm going to take these off again and we're going to do both. Alright, so I've just combed them through again, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the pencil and just sort of outline the brow that I want. Really extend that tail out. And really accentuate the arch as well. And I sort of stop about there because I don't want to bring it into this area. And then doing the same with the other side. Bringing that tail down. And accentuating that arch. And accentuating that arch. Maybe a little bit too much. And then now I'm going to grab the powder and I am going to use this to fill in. So it's going to fill in my little bald spots. Because this is quite bald, I don't want to give too much product in there. And then just blend it through. And then just go in with the brush again and give it a comb. So that's how I do a little bit more of a fuller brow using both of the products. So both ends of the brow styler, which is so good. And it's going to be waterproof, it's going to stay on. It's just so easy and so good. But that is the end of this brow tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. It's been a while since I've done my brows on camera. I usually just skip that for you because I usually do the same thing every single time. But this time was a bit different. 3 times different, I guess. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you do want to see this look, which is going to be completed with a red lip very soon, then I'll link that down below because I am recording that as well. I've got 2 different videos here. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Pop some comments down below as well, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye!